大家好，今日係1月14號星期三。今日港股咧係上升嘅，恒生指數咧開始升123點，國際指數升42點，科技指數升25點。阿里巴巴開始就上升2.4%，令指數升52點。騰訊升1%，匯豐升0.47%。咁啊，開始冇幾耐就升成200幾點咁啊，恒生指數咧係升破咗27000點。咁啊，阿里巴巴佢嗰個人工智能軟件千萬有成1億個活躍用戶，令到佢股價急升5.25%，令指數升111點，騰訊升1.67%，快手又係軟件賣得升6.2%。咁啊 ，QTech 發盈喜升14%。咁啊，Knowledge Atlas 咁啊升15%，因為佢用華為嘅芯片發展佢個大模型。咁啊，上週收市恒生指數升248點，國際指數升82點，科技指數升91點，成交1626億元。下週開市嗰時咧係升200幾點啊，跟住即刻就突然間下跌，跌破咗今朝早嗰個琴日嗰個收市係跌68點嘅。咁啊，但係咧就低位有支持，因為咧阿里係上升，阿里巴巴升5.7%，令指數升122點，阿里健康升21%。咁再加上快手升6.3% 等等，咁啊令到港股止跌回升，但係咧都升唔上去27000點。收市恒生指數升151點，國際指數升30點，科技指數升38點，成交活躍3404億元。Hi everyone, today's January 14th, Wednesday. The market rose again today. Hang Seng Index opened up 123 points, Exchange Index up 42, and Tech Index up 25 points. Alibaba rose 2.4%, Tencent rose 1%, and HSBC rose 0.47% to lift the market. And after market opening, the market rose further. Hang Seng Index gained more than 200 points and rose above 27,000. Alibaba's AI Gwen has 100 million active users, so Alibaba rose 5.25% for 111-point gain. Tencent rose 1.67% for 35-point gain. Huaishou also rose 6.2%. QTech issued positive profit alert, rose 14%. Knowledge Atlas rose 15% because it announced it will use Huawei's chip to develop its own large language model. Hang Seng Index closed the morning up 246 points, Exchange Index up 82, and Tech Index up 90 points. Turnover was 162.6 billion. The market actually fell in early afternoon. Hang Seng Index lost 68 points. But then the market quickly rebounded on the strength of Ali shares. Alibaba rose 5.7% for 122-point gain. Ali Health has a cancer drug development. Ali Health rose 21%, and then Huaishou rose 6.3%. Hang Seng Index rebounded but never rose above 27,000. Hang Seng Index closed the day up 151 points. Exchange Index up 30 points and Tech Index up 38 points. Turnover was $340.4 billion. Trading was active. Ali shares rose to lift the market.